Hello guys, in this quick video, I just want to show you an application which I strongly believe is going to kill Microsoft Office in 2023 going onwards. It's crazy. This application is so small and it's just less than 200 megabytes. And it's crazy that when you look at Microsoft Office these days, it's bringing file sizes of up to 5 gig, 10 gig. I even saw another Microsoft Office file that ranges all the way to 15 gigabytes. And when you look at what is happening in the tech space these days, you don't want to sacrifice that space because some of the small laptops for students that are coming out, the portable laptops, they are simply 60 gig of space. And you don't want to sacrifice 15 gig, 10 gig, 5 gig of space to install the Office suite. So what do? You just download this WPS, which is simply 200 megabytes of file size, and install on your PC, and you get up and running. And the other advantage is that it doesn't waste your time to download. It doesn't waste your time to install. Microsoft, you have to wait maybe for 30 minutes for it to install. And this one, you just install in seconds, you are done. And you download it in just maybe less than 5 minutes, you are done. You don't have to wait for 1 hour to download. Maybe your internet speed is slow. You are downloading a file of 4 gig. And what do you do with that? So if this one has everything that you need in that you find in Microsoft Word, why not switch for that? It's better and much affordable. Why? Because the price is insane. If you want to buy it, it's no pressure. Look at this price. It's simply this amount per year. And you can see that it's affordable. And you can also use it for free. Currently, I'm not even using a paid version, but I can do everything. This one is free. When you look at the functionalities, just look at this one. Let me open a new tab here. This is the other advantage of it. You can open it in tabs. With Microsoft Word, it is a little bit still tricky in terms of how you open the tabs, you see, but this one is much intuitive and user-friendly. You can see that you have the spreads over here, wonderful stuff, and you can do even the formulas that you do in Excel. Look at everything here. Look at all this. If you want presentations, you open here, you come under presentations. Look at this. Look at how you can create intuitive presentations. And once maybe you want to actually create a PDF from scratch, you can do this, and you can convert your PDF to Word. You can convert your picture to PDF. You can convert and merge documents. You can split PDF to Excel, PDF to presentation, compress the PDFs, a lot of functionalities that this application has. And you can see for yourself that this one is much affordable. And you see this blog that I was actually preparing over here. It's very easy to set up, and look at how user-friendly it is. Look at how friendly it is. It is so intuitive and so friendly. Look at what you can do with all these features. It's wonderful. And the reason, and one of the best reasons I like this application is simply because it's so light, and it's so easy, and it doesn't take time to download and install. If you want the download link to this application, check in the description below. And if you also want to read my tech blog, you can also check the link in the description as well. I post a lot of blogs about technology, and each and every week I do at least one post or two. So check out, it is still a new blog, but you should look forward to a lot of what is to come. I cannot disclose what I'm bringing, but you're going to see that I'm bringing a lot of stuff over there. So that's it for this application. And I strongly believe because of its intuitiveness, it's going to kill Microsoft Word. And it is a wonderful alternative to Microsoft Office, not Microsoft Word as such, but it is a huge alternative to Microsoft Office suite. And I look forward to see how this one is performing. check out in the comment section and tell us what you think about this application. And again, if you have other alternatives for Microsoft Office, just tell us in the description so that people will be able to have the versatility to use a lot of tools without actually centraling their attention to this monopoly of Microsoft. And the other thing that you can do is to like this video, you subscribe, and you share it with your friends so that they get to use this or such wonderful tools. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.